Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a table in Notion. So let's get started. So there are two ways on how to import a table here in Notion. First is you just have to click this three dots and then scroll down and you will see this import right here and then upload a table, or if you have a table document, and all you have to do is to import that right here if you have your document already or file already. If not, then the second method is also very easy. So to your new untitled page or new page, you will see this option beside journal. You can see here table, and all you have to do is tap that one. Then you have created a table here. Tap this new table right here, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you have created your template already and you just want to add a table view on the template, let's just say for this weekly planner, then all you have to do is to scroll down till you see a blank area right here and then type slash. When you type slash, you have to scroll down and you will see your table and table view. So if you want to add table, just tap table. If you want to add a table view, you have to look for table view and then add new database right here. And you have created your table view or table here on your Notion. As easy as. So to edit everything easier, or for easier way to edit, I suggest that you prefer the text property. So you go to property, you can change this one, tap this, and then go to text, and then you can edit or rename the title here. For example, text one, table one. You can edit the name of the property by tapping it and then change, for example, task one, task two, something like that. But it is strongly suggested if you want an easier way to do something here, you have to edit the property into text. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make a table in Notion. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.